using cost factors to improve routing solutions. The Appian algorithm is built to plot the least expensive possible routing solution within a set of user-defined constraints. In this video, we will review cost factors and how they are used by the algorithm. Let's begin. Cost factors include mileage costs, which represent the cost per mile. Typically, this constraint represents all fleet costs, including fuel. Hourly costs, which represent the cost per working hour. Typically, this constraint represents driver costs. Wait time cost, a penalty the algorithm applies for building in wait time before a stop. Fixed cost represents the cost to seed a route and usually accounts for expenses like depreciation of assets and insurance. Layover cost is the cost associated with adding a layover to a route. The algorithm uses these cost factors to drive down the total expense of a route and overcome challenges in dynamic routing. For example, if your route has a high mileage cost but low fixed cost, the algorithm could create several low mileage routes to solve the problem. Or if you have high fixed time costs but relatively low hourly and overtime costs, the algorithm could create fewer, longer routes that may require driver overtime. This approach also works with existing routes. The algorithm can leverage between route optimization to clean up the solution. Understanding costs. Cost factors aren't just important for the algorithm. It's also essential for you, the user, to understand the overall operational costs of a route to your organization, so you can make better decisions. Calculate relevant data like cost per unit of volume or cost per stop. You can even estimate the true value of a customer by understanding how much it costs to serve them. These decision support tools also help you review additional stop options in real time, including potential routes, sequences, arrival times, and differences in cost. For example, you can leverage the Suggest Routes feature to determine if moving a stop will increase or decrease route costs before the final route is planned. Improve planning. Ultimately, whether you rely on the algorithm to plot your routes or prefer a more manual approach, understanding how these cost factors affect your organization will ensure you create the most effective routing solution. You have completed the Using Cost Factors to Improve Routing Solutions training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.